Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to install Instagram on Sony Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! So here you want to simply go into the Play Store. Note that if you aren't logged in onto your Google account, you won't be able to go into Play Store. Then you want to simply go into search, enter search bar, and you can simply start typing in Instagram. And usually a few letters in, we should see our Instagram here. And now we can simply go and press install. Now, if you're not really sure if you're installing the correct application, you want to make sure that this is indeed published by Instagram. And as you can see, Instagram only has two other applications, and these being edits and threads. But Instagram has 5 billion downloads, so I think it's pretty hard to mistake it for something else. And if you have poor internet connection, you can always enable auto open when ready. This means that whenever you install the application, it will automatically open itself, which I think is a very nice feature. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time!